So in my bowl here, I have 1 cup of chickpea flour, 3/4 of a cup of white spelt flour, 1/3 cup of Kamut flour, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. I've combined all of that together. Now I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of grapeseed oil. You want to mix until it looks nice and crumbly like this. And then it's time to slowly incorporate your sparkling spring water. So I'm adding about 1 to 1.5 cups of sparkling spring water, and I'm adding a little at a time. You want to completely mix after each addition until you get a consistency like this, kind of like a thick pancake batter. In the meantime, you want to be whipping up your aquafaba. So for the aquafaba, I use 6 tablespoons of liquid aquafaba, and I've used the juice of half of a key lime to help stabilize the aquafaba. You want to fold the aquafaba, gently fold it into your batter a little at a time. You want to fold all of the aquafaba in, so you're going to be using all of this aquafaba. I do also recommend, before adding the aquafaba, to add maybe 1 to 2 teaspoons of sea moss gel, because I noticed that when I stored my buns, they became kind of crumbly, and I think the sea moss gel will help them to kind of hold together a little better when you store them. But this is what the batter will look like once the aquafaba is mixed in. So I have greased my silicone bun pans that I've ordered on Amazon. If I can find the link, I'll share it in the description box below. This is optional. You can add sesame seeds, only add them to half the buns. One will be your top bun, one will be your bottom bun. I made the mistake of adding them to all of the buns, but this is what it looks like after it baked on 350 for 30 minutes. So I've gone ahead and cut one in half so that you can see what it looks like on the inside. And as you can see, it's completely cooked through and it is nice and soft. It tastes very much like a regular hamburger bun. So I'm just cooking up a little mushroom chickpea burger. I'll share the recipe later. And this is what the finished product looked like. So enjoy.